When mowing the lawns, both the equipment you use and your technique can make the mowing experience harder if done incorrectly. The first problem a lot of people have is pull starting the mower. Bending forwards and twisting at the same time places your spine in an awkward position. It compromises the curves of your spine and can aggravate your lower back. So instead of leaning forwards, try bringing the cord up to waist level. From here, give the mower a good push forward. This method relies on a really well-maintained mower, as doing it repetitively will still stress your back. One modification you could also try is to have the pull cord move from the base to the handle. Any lawnmower mechanic should be able to do this, and it will prevent you from having to bend down and start, as you'll just pull from here. Once you've got the lawnmower started, keep the handle in close to your waist. Holding it out here will increase the demands on your lower back. A good rule to remember is to keep your ears over your shoulders, over your hips. Here's a couple of ways to turn the mower. It's pretty easy to twist your back when turning the mower, and you'll want to try and avoid this if you've got a back injury. The best way to do it is to keep the handle of the mower at your waist and step sideways like a crab. Another way is to do a method I call waving to the neighbours. When you reach the end of a run, take one hand off, push down on the handle with the other hand, and just keep walking forward. You'll see that the mower turns itself as you walk. Don't follow the mower, just face the way you're walking till it's completely turned around and wave to the neighbours with your free hand. You're probably used to mowing in rows. However, turning and twisting is what we want to avoid if you've got a back problem. Try cutting the grass in a spiral. This means you turn the mower at 90-degree angles each time you turn, and it cuts out a lot of twisting. Dealing with corners or under trees can also be difficult. Most people try to cut the grass by pulling and pushing the mower in small turns, which creates a lot of work, and for some people, pulling the mower backwards can hurt. Try to avoid cutting right into the edge, choosing more of a curve. Get the bits of each corner later on with the edge trimmer. Try to avoid using a catcher, as bending down and squatting adds extra work, and if you've got back pain or a knee problem, this can be difficult. Instead, try using a mower with a mulching plug. Most new mowers will come with one. They go underneath and flick the clippings back up into the mower so the blades cut them several times into smaller parts. Then they fall back down onto the lawn and you don't even know that they're there. If you don't want the clippings falling onto your lawn, or you have young children or pets around and you don't want them walking grass inside the house, try emptying the catcher more often to lighten the load. A full catcher can be very heavy. It's important to pace the task out into small, manageable chunks. Mowing all the lawn at once can take it out of you. Rather than going until you feel tired or pain, try choosing a time period you know you can go for, say 3 minutes, and work to this. Time yourself and stop every 3 minutes, even if you're feeling good. Have a rest, change positions, and then come back to it for another 3 minutes. This is called pacing, and it's a great way to get a large job done without increasing back pain. On the surface, it may seem like a longer way to do the job, but if you give it a shot, you'll be surprised how much you can do in a small amount of time. There are also other mower designs that may help take the hard work out of mowing. We've had a lot of success using electric or battery-powered mowers. They have a button start feature that does away the need to bend forward to start them, and because they're made of plastic, they're lighter and easier to push. The electric motor produces less vibration through the handle, which is also good if you've got a problem with your shoulders or arms. You'll use exactly the same techniques that I've just shown you. There's also these self-propelled mowers, which are petrol powered, but you can get them with a key start feature, just like a car. The benefit here is that the mower propels itself along, so it's super easy to push. They're great if you've got a lot of lawn to mow or if your lawn's on a slope. The one drawback though is that they're very heavy when the motor's not going, or if you've got to pull them backwards. It's important to use the tip that I mentioned earlier when turning a self-propelled mower in a corner. Remember, leave a curve in the edge to trim up later with the edger. You can find different mower options on our website, but remember, no matter your choice, keep the mower close to your body and minimise any twisting and bending by keeping your ears over your shoulders, over your hips. You can find more information on what you've seen here in the equipment section of our website.